Ikhathi sendaba zesiNdebele sinibikela zona bunqopha ukusuka emzimkhulu wendaba eAuckland Park eJohannesburg. Chitela Mbukeli sikuphakele zona sachisa.
Eyona into esizawuyenza njengohulumeni sizawenza sure ukuthi uncedo lube khona.
Abantwana bam ababini ngabaka sister wam abakafumaneke bobabini.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa utheliwe izakhamuzi ngenyembezi nabekakhamba ahlola indawo zeMpumalanga Kapa ezivelelwe ihlekelele enkhukhula. Uthi bonke abatindekileko bazokusizwa.
Is to develop a new system of promotion within police, vertically and horizontally.
Ungqongqotjhe wezamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu uthi bazokuqinisa indlela zokulwa nobulelesi begodwa bazokusebenzisa iteknoloji ezokusebenza msinyana.
Have been assured that they are already on board and will definitely arrive anytime today or tomorrow by the earliest.
Uyariyada ukubuyiswa kwamajoni wekhethu ebekulindeleke ukuthi agadange ehlabathini yanganeno namhlanje. Kuthiwa aza kufika mhlawumnye kusasa. Kutsho ungqongqotjhe wezevikeleko uNG Motshekga. Mbukeli nanzi indaba zakho zesiNdebele ozibikelwa nguThulani Bongwe. Lotshani sitjhaba sekosi. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ihlekelele eyenzeke eMpumalanga Kapa isibonelo sokuchuguluka kobujamo bezulu ngombana akavami ukuna izulu elinamandla ebusika elizweni. uRamaphosa uvakatshele indawo ezihlukahlukeneko zeMpumalanga Kapa ezibetheke kumbe ehlekeleleni yenkhukhula ebulela abantu abama-79 bekubekhathisi.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi isifunda seMpumalanga Kapa nesakwaZulu-Natal sezibongazembi benkhukhula okuyibanga amathlu ebantwini bemfundisi. Kanti sitshijile kufanele sirarulule ngombana sengathi sekuzokujayeleka ukuba nenkhukhula khulu elizweni li. uRamaphosa bekavakatshele indawo ezithindekileko akhamba nongqongqotjhe wezombuso ohlanganyela uVelenkosini Hlabisa noNdunankulu wesifunda uOscar Mabuyane.
This is a catastrophic disaster for us, which is caused by climate change. Ngoba siqhelanga lento ukuthi there must be floods during winter.
uNdunankulu wesifunda uOscar Mabuyane uthi bazokusizana nemindeni ebhujelweko ukubeka amathamba abo kanti bazobasiza nokulungisa bomazisi namanye amaphepha aqhakathekileko ahogulwe izinkhukhula.
Abantu abaninzi sele beyenzelwe i-postmortem. Ii-families ezilapha seziyile zaba-identifya abantu bazo. So sizama ukuqinisekisa uba wonke umuntu osimfumeneyo kule ntlekele naye wonke lo muntu uyakwazi ukwenzelwa the autopsy so that singabi nangxaki. Sawuyigqiba president siqinisekile uba kho umuntu ushiyeke ngasemva sizawukwazi ukuqulunqa ke ngokwendlela yokokuba singcwaba njani sisebenzisana nezi families.
Omunye ungazimbi inkhukhula uthi abantwana bakadadewabo ababili abakafunywana bekubekhathisi.
Abantwana bam ababini ngabaka sister wam abakafumaneke bobabini. Kuye kwafumaneka utata efumaneka ufitshane nakhona endlini seyiswelekile.
Izakhamuzi ezihlaliswe kwesinye isikolo esivakatshele ngumengameli zithi nokho nakulijeje bayalifumana.
Kodwa masinisigaba sikuso siyanibulela akukho nto ingenziwanga. Bahluthi abantu abalapha ngoba sidangova ezikhibhini kusithiwa uyakwalanjwa kwindawo ethile athi umuntu andifumana ngesponji. Umazi bothe akafumana ngasponji umuntu ongalali kule ndawo.
Umengameli uthi abantu ababethekileko bazokufumana isizo likaRhulumente bakwazi ukubuyela emakhaya abo.
Eyona into esizawuyenza njengohulumeni sizawenza sure ukuthi uncedo lube khona. Asifuni ukuthi nihlale apha kule ndawo ixesha elide njengoba uPremier eshilo.
Umsebenzi wokuhlwengisa nokudobhadobha izinto esisesenobhadekelo uyaraga.
Izakhamuzi zendaweni yemtlhatlhana iSkid eButterworth zibawa uRhulumente bona azakhele izindlu ezazisako. Amakhulukhulu wabantu asusiwe lapho njengoba kusahlele inkhukhula nabekuna izulu elikhulu eMpumalanga Kapa zombelele ivekele. Umasipalata usebenzisana neminyango ehlukahlukeneko ukuletha isizo lesikhatshana ebantwini abathindekileko.
Khulu lishihlekelele le. Basithandatha abantu ababhobhileke esinginamathole bese abangaphezulu kwekulungwana basele banganabuyo. Laba basele baleni bafika ihloko emahholweni omphakathi nengikolweni zeButterworth abanye basele ngezambatha abazembetheko kwaphela. abongazimbi baba uhulumende nababelani bona bangenelele.
Akho nto esinayo kulahleka amakhadi asinazi ID. Abantwana bemkelwe zi-uniform, impahla zonxiba, akho ngubo, akho bhedi, akho ntoni. Sihlele kuba kaloku aside sinikwe ndawo sibe nezindlu kuthiwa yani pha asinikwa nezinto ezokuba masihlale ngazo like itoilet asinazo.
Umasipalata uthi bonke ababelani bakahulumende balethisekelo kibo bonke abongazimbi benkhukhula.
73 houses have been reported to have been damaged or washed away by the heavy floods. You have 67 shacks in Skit informal settlement, which has been the hardest hit. That out of 1,000 shacks there, 67 have washed away. You have 22 schools that have been reported to have been affected, and where there is no schooling. Yeah. So these are the details, and I may add that there are also about 7 bridges in our rural areas.
A gift of the givers nayifaka isandla kulabo abadose emhlweni. Uhulumende wesifunda kulindeleke bona ahlole ubungako bomonakalo kizo zonke indawo ezithintekileko.
Ungqongqotjhe wezevikeleko u-Angie Motshekga uthi kube nentshijilo ekuyeni kwebutho lokuthoma lamajoni weSouth Africa ebeka ingcenye yamajoni beka-DRC. uMotshekga utsho lokhu nabekakhuluma nembikindaba ekampeni yamajoni iTempe eBloemfontein namhlanje.
Uthi amazwe weSADC ahocisa amajoni awo eDRC ilizwe leSouth Africa libhujwe lemajoni ali-14 epinileyo. Intumbu zawo zibuyiswe nganeno phambilini umnyaka lo. Ungqongqotjhe wezevikeleko u-Angie Motshekga nabanye ababelani bebalindele ukwamukela amajoni amakhulu 249 namhlanje emini. Kodwana kuyariyada ukufika kwawo. uMotshekga uthi kube nentshijilo abaqalana nazo.
The arrival has been delayed due to technical and logistical challenges with the contracted airline which was done by SADC. The initial contract was for 190, which was a smaller flight. And then to have as many people as possible coming, then they contracted 200 for 250.
Ngale kwalokhu uMotshekga ulile ngokuhlela kwemali yabelwa umnyango wakhe.
The government has to give us more money to improve our capabilities. Because if we had our own capability, we would have just picked up our children, landed them at a base.
uMotshekga uthi kikho konke lokhu bafunda ukuthi kufanele babe namahlelo amaningi ukubalekela ubujamo obufana nalobu.
Uprinsipala weBackview College eMatatiyela eMpumalanga Kapa obekasolwa ngokukata umfundi weminyaka elikhomba ubudala uthomile ngekambiso yokuvulela icala bosopolitiki abamsola ngokukata umntwana. uYacob Pieterse usekelwa sichema se-AfriForum sephiko lezokutshutshisa kani bafuna ukuthi umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema banonobhalazo mbelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula kunye nosomkhandlu wezefundo eMpumalanga Kapa ufundile kade baziphendulele emagameni abawatshoko mayelana nendaba le mphakathi.
Okuthoma phambi kwembikindaba ngemva kokubika kwendaba yakhe ebeyikhulunywako yokusola kwakhe ngokukata umntazinyana weminyaka elikhomba ubudala eMpumalanga Kapa. Uprinsipala owaba lwahlangana nabasola ebebabandakanyeka ecaleni leli sele athomile ukuthatha amagadango wokubuyisa isithunzi sakhe esilahleke ngonobangela wecaleli.
He was referred to as a child rifle. He was labeled as a pedophile. This is a teacher his career is in the care of children, and he's being accused of one of the most heinous crimes.
uPieterse uhlanjululiwe njengomsolwa begodu nongqongqotjhe wamapolisa ubawe ukulitshalelwa kuye. Nanyana kunjalo uprinsipala lo uthi usalimele begodu nomndeni wakhe uthindeke kumbi khulu.
I want to say I'm very relieved that the truth did come out, and but I'm also determined to ensure that people know that they can't make any false and reckless statements on social media or the media. All aspects of my life has been affected.
I-ANC ibhalile ukuphendula mayelana nendaba le. I-office likasomkhandlu wezefundo eMpumalanga Kapa ufundile kade lithi lisengakaziswa ngendaba le kanti kuza ukuthi umbiko nawufikako liphendule. Nakusenjalo i-EFF akhange itholakale khonokho ukuthi iphendule mayelana nendaba le.
Asicale umbono wakho mbukeli ngalendaba eceda ukuphela.
akabavulele vele icala kwenzela ukuthi umuntu azokhuluma into akasho ngayo.
Akakhamba avula icala usala kona icala lakhe lizomudla one day.
Acaca njengoba itholakala ngenacala nje kusho ukuthi ubembhica ngobende inyama engayidlile.
Langabe letisola libamsola ngato ngesilolo lelitiniso akabavule icala.
Aqale wanqaba ukuyokwenza iDNA ube sembekile kwakumele ahambe ngaleso sikhathi.
Principal data ke ngokuna ke wena amanyathelo omthetho kucace ubunyano noba wonke ntoni yabo kuze bakuthwale ngento embi kangaka.
Eyoba ngabe kwatyala msasaza ayithethi ukuthi lonto kanayo ityala.
Ngaphela vele uqinisekile ukuthi bekasukelwa akabavulele icala.
Njengoba ikhotho imhlambululile njalo nonembe zakhe uvuma ukuthi icalelwa akakalenzi akabavulele icala naye.
Ingakho kubalekile kakhulu ukuthi ungasheshe uphawule kwezinto osazizwa zikhulunywa.
Uprincipal unalo ilungelo lokuthi xa enganeliseki ngendlela okuthethwe ngaye ahambe uyovula amatyala ayonto irongo leyo.
Umbono onke umbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. Ubelelesi buthikazisa impilo yabantu kunye nokutsinza komnotho elizweni. Ubuholi bamapholisa memezela amagadango aqinileko ukuqinisa inkhundla zabo kunye nokubuyisa isithunzi sabo ekulwisaneni nobelelesi. Nebekakhuluma ema-ofisini wePretoria West, amapholisa aveze amaqalontanzi wawo okungezelela amapholisa ukuthuthukisa abasebenzi babo, ukwenza ngcono imiholo nokukhutshulwa kwenkhundla. Konke ngaphakathi kwesabelo semali esikhona nje.
Bathaka wokuthoma base-ofisini, ungqongqothe wamapholisa uhlanganyele nabaphathi bamapholisa ukuyokuhlathulula ngokunabileko ukuqakatheka kwamachuguluko ekuhloswe ngawo ukuqinisa amajima nemizamo yokukhandela ubelelesi.
A couple of months or so is to develop a new system of promotion within police, vertically and horizontally, so that that system becomes a kind of an incentive to recognize dedication and service on the side of police officers.
Management must also do its part in order to improve the lives of our members by ensuring that they have the right tools equipped to do the job, they are remunerated accordingly, and we create an enabling environment to retain the pockets of excellence within the service.
Ukuqinisa kwamahlelo wezobuhloli webelelesi kunye nokwenziwa kwamaphenyo khulukhulu ukuqalana nokusalela emuva kwamahlelo wokuhlola kwefuzo kuliqalontanzi. Ngaphezulu kwalokho inteshe ezihlanu zamapholisa ziyokunikela insetshenziswazetechnology ukuthuthukisa ukubonakala kunye nokugijima msinya nangabe kunezehlakalo ezenzekako.
We are confirming that the work has been done. It's not a talk show. Agreement are ready.
There's been an outcry about the issue of promotions. Most members are leaving the police, and we want to see the retention strategy of the police being implemented.
Njengombana amapholisa aqinisa indlela yayo yokulwisana nobelelesi, iqale khulu ukuziphendulela, ukusebenza ngefanelo nokuphepha komphakathi.
Indaba sekhona lapha kanina zikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Ilutsha elingasebenziko eMpumalanga libawe undunankulu ukuthi yabekelele phambili amathuba okucatsha ilutsha nemabhizinisi. 200 wabantu abatsha bewadoswa phambili liphiko labatsha le-ANC bamatshele edrobheni lesifunda eMbombela ukuyokwethula inlilo zabo.
Iphiko lelutsha le-ANC lidose phambili abantu abatsha ukuyokuzwakalisa inlilo zabo ngokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi nokungafumani isekelo kuhulumende wesifunda. Ngokutsho kweziko lembalobalo iStats SA, abantu abatsha bangasebenziko nokuzibandakanya kwabo ekorweni yezemisebenzi ekotweni yokuthoma ka-2025 eMpumalanga ihlezi ku-49.2%. Abantu abatsha bahlangana nalabo abasafuna imisebenzi. Bathi babeke ithemba labo kuhulumende wesifunda.
Ngikubuhlungu kakhulu ngize ngafuna nokutibulala, like there was a point la nganasakhona amaphilisi because ngifuna ukutibulala because the situation beyinzima kakhulu. So ngiyacela lo mdzala ukuthi pretty much makasendele something avule amathuba emsebenzi.
Sebenzi ngihleli na matric kwami ekhaya papa uhola impesheni na mama uhola impesheni kude lo sebentako siyafaka amasivina abasicashi.
Iphiko labatsha le-ANC lithi abantu abatsha kufanele babekelwe phambili kiyo yonke imikhakha.
We marched to the Premier's office precisely because of ongoing challenges of unemployment, inequality that our young people in the province of Mpumalanga are subjected to.
Umjaphethe kaNdunankulu uthembise ukuthi bazoziqala inlilo zabo.
Unemployment is quite rife and we must respond as government. Through the program that we have put in place, we are indeed responding. It's not massive as we wanted because of the level of the economy of the country.
Abantu abatsha banikele uNdunankulu amalanga ali-14 ukuthi aphendule imfuno zabo.
Imphathimandla zendlela eMpumalanga zibawa abatshayeli benkoloyi bona batshetshe khulu kule pelaveke ede. Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi nokuvikeleka uthi isibalo senkoloyi sithome ukukhuphuka ngemva kwamadina nje kizo zonke indlela ezikulu zesifundeni esi.
Yara lokuvimba nokusetshenziswa inkoloyi lapha njengoba nabatshayeli benkoloyi bashinga endaweni ezihlukahlukeneko. Sekunabantu ababotshweko malungana namacala ahlukahlukeneko.
We have covered all our strategic route in the province from N4, N11, N17, N12, N2, all the roads that are connecting the province with other provinces, and also the N4 with Mozambique. We have all covered. We have deployed 236 traffic officers with 144 vehicles.
Abachayeli bakwamukela lokhu.
A good initiative for us traffic departments. Remember, we want safety and security, especially us that we are dealing with transportation in the region as well.
Ukahle kakhulu umkhankaso wenda ukuthi nathi sibe safe la sihamba lomgwaqeni. Sifike siphephile.
Abachayeli benkoloyi bakhonjelwe bona babekezele begodwa batsheje endleleni. Imphathimandla ziyelelise ngelithi izephula umthetho zizoyithola into ezifunako.
Kezimali iranda lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikhulu.